Should you be taking an NAD supplement? Hey, I'm Dr. Anjali. Today, we're going to be talking about NAD, which stands for Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide. It's a mouthful. And it's a molecule getting a lot of attention in the wellness and naturopathic communities. So today, I'm going to break down what it is, how it affects our bodies, and why so many people are straight up obsessed with it. So, NAD is a coenzyme found in every living cell. It's essential for converting food into energy, supporting DNA repair, and regulating metabolism and immune function. So think of NAD as a cellular energy currency and a key regulator of cellular health. As we age, NAD levels decline, and this decline is associated with slower energy production and a range of age-related dysfunctions. And researchers believe that maintaining NAD may help support healthy aging. So NAD has two major functions. First is energy metabolism. It shuttles electrons into cells to support ATP production. ATP is the fuel your cells use for everything from thinking to moving. And second, NAD supports DNA repair and longevity pathways. So NAD is required for enzymes like sirtuins and other molecules that affect aging, inflammation, and repair. And this is why NAD is often linked to increased energy, cellular resilience, and overall vitality. Now, naturopathic doctors like myself sometimes incorporate NAD or its precursors like nicotinamide riboside or nicotinamide mononucleotide, otherwise known as NMN, into protocols aimed at supporting energy and mitochondrial function, healthy aging and fertility, cognitive resilience and brain health, immune regulation, and inflammation control. So, studies show that NAD decline is linked with aging, metabolic disease, and neurodegeneration. And preclinical work, especially in animal models, suggests that boosting NAD can improve mitochondrial health, reduce oxidative stress, and support memory and cognition. A recent systematic review concluded that NAD precursors improved brain outcomes in rodent molecules and cognitive disease and aging, supporting the idea that NAD could be protective for the brain. And some smaller human trials also show that supplementation with NMN can safely raise NAD levels and may improve things like insulin sensitivity, sleep quality, and physical performance in adults. But larger clinical trials are still going to be needed here. So I've personally tried NMN and nicotinamide riboside, both of which are easily found as supplements and act as precursors to NAD. I've also taken NAD directly as a tablet that I dissolved under my tongue. Now, this had to get made from a compounding pharmacy that I work closely with. And I have to say, I noticed subtle improvements in my energy with all three of them. But I will say I noticed the biggest improvements with the direct NAD. My mind felt clearer, I felt more energized, and all of this without the kind of jitteriness that you might get from something with caffeine, for example. So here's where it gets nuanced. Despite promising early results, the strongest human evidence is still limited, so many benefits seen in animals may not yet be fully confirmed in large controlled human studies. Important things to note before trying any NAD supplements, or any supplements for that matter: consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you're on medications or pregnant. This is not recommended during pregnancy. High doses may have unexpected effects in certain conditions like inflammation or metabolic imbalance. And supplements are best used as a part of a broader health plan. You don't want to just use this in isolation. So if you found this helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more evidence-informed naturopathic and holistic health information. And comment with your thoughts or questions about NAD. And let me know if there are any other topics you want me to cover. See you next time.